Ever wondered why most people stay broke no matter how hard they work? You see people grinding day in and day out, but they're still stuck, living paycheck to paycheck. It's not because they're lazy. It's because they're playing the wrong game, a game designed to keep them running in place. The rules are stacked against you from the start and it feels impossible to win. But what if I told you something massive is happening right now? AI, artificial intelligence, is changing the game entirely. This isn't some far-off future tech. It's here, it's accessible, and it's creating opportunities that were unthinkable just a few years ago. This could be your one chance to finally break free from that cycle and start building real wealth. So, are you going to keep playing by the old broken rules, or are you ready to learn how to use these insane new AI tools to your advantage? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why so many people are trapped financially, and how AI can be your escape route. Stick around because this is huge. Alright, let's get real. The number one reason most people stay broke isn't a lack of effort. It's not because they're not smart or because they don't want a better life. The brutal truth is they're broke because they trade their precious time directly for money. Think about the typical 9-to-5 job. You clock in, you work your hours, you clock out, and you get paid for those specific hours. If you don't work, you don't get paid. This system has a hard cap on your earning potential. There are only 24 hours in a day, and you can only work so many of them before you burn out. This time for money trap is the cornerstone of the traditional employment system. You're essentially renting out your life in hourly increments. While it provides a sense of security for some, it rarely leads to significant wealth accumulation. Why? Because there's very little leverage. You can't easily scale your time. This fundamental limitation keeps millions from achieving financial freedom. The system benefits those who own the systems, not those who trade their time within them. And trust me, the solution we're about to explore is a game changer. Now let's talk about a silent killer of wealth: inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and consequently the purchasing power of currency is falling. In simple terms, your money buys less stuff today than it did yesterday. Think about the cost of groceries, gas, rent, or a cup of coffee. Have those prices stayed the same over the last 5 or 10 years? Absolutely not. They've gone up. Now compare that to how much most salaries have increased. For many people, wages have stagnated or only seen tiny bumps that don't even come close to matching the rising cost of living. This discrepancy between rising inflation and stagnant income creates a massive financial trap. The bottom line is, relying solely on a traditional salary in an inflationary environment is a losing strategy for building wealth. This is where understanding new opportunities, like those presented by AI, becomes absolutely crucial. Now let's tackle another massive wealth destroyer: the debt cycle. Credit cards, student loans, car payments, mortgages on depreciating assets. These can create a brutal cycle of dependency. Every month, a huge chunk of your hard-earned money goes out the door just to service these debts. This isn't money that's working for you, it's money that's working for the lenders. This constant outflow to service debt leaves very little room for saving, investing, or building assets that can generate more income. Breaking free from this debt cycle is paramount if you want to change your financial trajectory. Leveraging new tools like AI can help you generate the extra income needed to accelerate your debt repayment and start building real wealth. Here's a crazy thought. We spend over a decade in school learning about history, mathematics, literature, and science. But how much time is dedicated to teaching us about personal finance, investing, building wealth, or understanding economic systems? For most people, the answer is little to none. This glaring omission in our education system is a massive contributor to why so many people struggle financially throughout their lives. The good news is, it's never too late to learn. The gap between the rich and everyone else is genuinely getting wider. The rich are indeed getting richer, and at a much faster pace than the middle or lower classes. It's largely because the wealthy own the means of production. They own businesses, hold significant assets like real estate and stocks, and leverage technology and systems to multiply their wealth. They're not just trading time for money. They're making their money, their assets, and their systems work for them 24/7. The traditional employee is a cost to a business, while the business owner reaps the profits. The wealthy are often early adopters of new technologies that can enhance productivity, open new markets, or create efficiencies. They have the capital to invest in these innovations and the mindset to see them as opportunities. Meanwhile, those struggling are often just trying to keep up with basic expenses, making it difficult to invest time or money into learning new skills or exploring new technological frontiers. This creates a feedback loop where the rich pull further ahead. AI, artificial intelligence, might just be the great equalizer we've been waiting for. AI can democratize access to leverage, and that's why understanding it right now is so incredibly important. It could be the key to reversing this trend for those willing to learn and adapt. AI is not just another tech buzzword. It's a revolutionary force that is genuinely leveling the playing field. Imagine having a super smart assistant who can write, edit, design, analyze data, and even manage marketing campaigns for you 24/7, at a fraction of the cost of hiring a human. That's what AI offers. Think about content creation. Previously, if you wanted to produce high-quality videos, you needed expensive cameras, editing software, and serious skills, or you had to hire a professional. Now, AI video editors can help you create engaging content with minimal technical expertise. Need well-written articles for a blog or website? AI content writers can generate drafts, outlines, and even complete pieces in minutes. Consider marketing. Small businesses often struggle to compete with the large marketing budgets of established players. But AI marketing tools can analyze market trends, identify target audiences, automate social media posting, optimize ad campaigns, and even personalize customer interactions. This allows individuals and small teams to run sophisticated marketing operations that were previously out of reach. This access to leverage is the core of how AI levels the playing field. Now that you understand how AI can provide incredible leverage, let's talk about how people are actually using it to make real money right now. We're seeing an explosion of AI-powered side hustles, and the best part is, many of them can be started with minimal investment and scaled incredibly quickly. One of the hottest areas is faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to show your face or even use your own voice if you don't want to. AI tools can help you generate scripts, create voiceovers, find stock footage, and even edit entire videos. People are creating successful channels in niches like history, finance, meditation, or even just relaxing music, and they're monetizing them through ads and affiliate marketing. The AI handles the bulk of the content creation, allowing one person to manage multiple channels or produce content at a rapid pace. Then there are AI-powered blogs and niche websites. AI content writers can help you research topics, generate high-quality articles, optimize them for search engines, and even suggest content ideas. Automated e-commerce stores are another fantastic example. AI can help you find trending products, write compelling product descriptions, create marketing materials, and even manage customer service inquiries through chatbots. AI isn't just about making your active work more efficient, it's a powerhouse for creating genuine passive income streams. Remember the trap of trading time for money? Passive income is the ultimate escape route, because it means your income is no longer directly tied to the hours you work. You build something once or set up an automated system, and it continues to generate money for you. AI is a supercharger for building these kinds of income streams. Consider those automated YouTube channels we mentioned. Once a video is created, with significant AI assistance and uploaded, it can generate ad revenue for months or even years to come. Affiliate marketing is another area where AI is a game changer for passive income. AI can write the articles, optimize them for search engines to attract organic traffic, and even help you identify profitable affiliate programs. Selling digital products is another fantastic avenue. AI can help you create these products. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, software tools, or even AI-generated art. One of the most incredible things about this AI revolution is the incredibly low barrier to entry. For generations, starting a business or accessing powerful wealth-building tools often required significant startup capital or deep connections within a specific industry. But AI is smashing those barriers down. You don't need to be a Silicon Valley insider or have a trust fund to get started. Many powerful AI tools are surprisingly affordable, and some even offer free tiers or trials. Think about AI writing assistants, basic video editing AIs, or tools for social media automation. You can often access core functionalities without spending a dime. You also don't necessarily need a formal degree in computer science or marketing to leverage these tools. The focus is less on your technical ability to build the AI itself, and more on your creativity and strategic thinking in applying the AI to solve problems or create value. This opens the door for people from all backgrounds and skill sets. This isn't just theory. People are already using AI to radically change their financial situations and their lives. We're seeing incredible success stories emerge every single day. These real-life examples are proof that this isn't some far-off dream. It's happening right now, and it's accessible to you too. Let's look at some of these inspiring transformations. We've got faceless YouTube creators, ordinary people, who started channels using AI for script writing, voiceovers, and video editing. Many of these creators are now earning thousands of dollars per month purely from ad revenue and affiliate sales on their channels. Then there are the bloggers and niche website owners who are leveraging AI content generation tools. Some of these bloggers are reporting earnings of $10,000 per month or more from display ads, affiliate marketing, and selling their own digital products. Small business owners are also seeing incredible results. They're using AI for everything from customer service chatbots to AI-powered marketing campaigns. With any major technological shift, there's always a window of opportunity. This is that period when the technology is new enough that the early adopters can gain a significant advantage. Right now, with AI, we are squarely in that golden window. The early adopters are building incredible momentum. They're figuring out what works, capturing market share, and establishing themselves before the space becomes saturated. However, this window won't stay open forever. As AI technology becomes more mainstream, adoption will explode. The strategies that work incredibly well today might become less effective as the market matures. Therefore, the best time to start learning about and implementing AI for wealth creation was yesterday. But don't panic, the second best time is right now today. Alright, we've covered a ton of ground. You now understand why so many people are stuck financially, and more importantly, you see the incredible game-changing potential of AI to help you break free. But knowledge without action is useless. So let's get super practical and lay out a simple action plan you can start implementing today. First, pick an AI tool or platform that resonates with your skills, interests, or a problem you want to solve. Start with one tool, get comfortable with it, and understand its capabilities. Second, focus on building one simple income stream to start. Pick one idea. Maybe it's an AI-assisted faceless YouTube channel, an AI-powered blog, or offering a simple AI-driven service to local businesses. Third, as you start generating profits, reinvest a portion of them back into your AI venture to scale. Fourth, commit to continuous learning and adaptation. And finally, the most important step, stay consistent. So there you have it. Now you know why most people stay broke. It's not about laziness. It's about being stuck in an outdated system. But the incredible news is you also now know how AI can fix it. We've covered the traps, the tools, and the massive opportunities. The only question left is, will you stay on the sidelines just watching videos like this? Or will you take this information and actually start building something for yourself? This is your moment. The AI revolution is happening right now, and you have the chance to be a part of it. To help you get started immediately, I've put together a completely free AI Wealth Blueprint. You can download it using the link right below this video. Let's start building your AI-powered future together. Let's go!